As summer approaches, it's the perfect time to refresh your table settings for all those warm weather gatherings. Whether you're hosting a casual brunch, a festive dinner, or a relaxed outdoor picnic, the right table decor can set the mood and make your event memorable. Here are 15 charming summer tablescape ideas that are easy to recreate and will delight your guests. Black and white summer table decor. Create a sophisticated look with a black and white color scheme. Use black placemats, white dinnerware, and striped napkins. Add black candles and white flowers for a chic contrast. Fresh summer table decor. Embrace the freshness of summer with light linens, green foliage, and white flowers. Use natural materials like wood and stone for a calm, earthy vibe. Sunflower summer table settings. Brighten up your table with cheerful sunflowers. Pair them with yellow napkins and rustic elements like burlap table runners and wooden accents. Beach ball tablescape. For a fun, playful look, use mini beach balls as centerpieces. Add colorful plates, napkins, and glassware to create a vibrant, beachy atmosphere. Pink peony garden tablescape. Pink peonies are perfect for a romantic, garden-inspired table. Combine them with soft pastel linens and elegant china for a charming feminine touch. Simple summer centerpiece. Keep it simple with a clear glass vase filled with fresh summer blooms. Pair with neutral table settings and subtle accents to let the flowers shine. Summer table decor with hydrangeas. Hydrangeas in shades of blue, pink, or white make beautiful centerpieces. Complement them with matching linens and delicate china for a cohesive look. Simple summer table decor. Sometimes less is more. Use white tablecloths, simple glassware, and a few well-placed flowers for an elegant, understated table setting. Mediterranean table setting. Bring the Mediterranean to your table with bold blues, terracotta pots, and olive branches. Add colorful ceramics and woven placemats for an authentic feel. Floral summer table decor. Mix and match a variety of summer flowers for a vibrant floral tablescape. Use different heights and sizes of vases for an eclectic, garden-like display. Modern farmhouse blue and pink tablescape. Combine modern elements with farmhouse charm using a blue and pink color scheme. Add wooden chargers, striped napkins, and floral centerpieces for a fresh, contemporary look. Fruity summer outdoor table. Decorate your table with fresh fruit like lemons, limes, and oranges. Use fruit bowls as centerpieces and add colorful napkins and plates for a lively outdoor setting. Citrus Summer Tablescape. Citrus fruits make for bright and refreshing decor. Use slices of lemons and oranges in clear vases, paired with white linens and green accents for a fresh, summery feel. Spring coastal-style table decorations. Embrace coastal style with light blues, whites, and sandy beige tones. Add seashells, starfish, and nautical elements for a breezy, beach-inspired table. Beautiful outdoor table decor. Take your dining outdoors with beautiful table settings that blend with nature. Use natural elements like wooden tables, greenery, and simple floral arrangements for an inviting outdoor space. Creating a stunning summer tablescape doesn't have to be complicated. With these charming ideas, you can easily set the scene for any summer occasion, making your gatherings both beautiful and memorable. Try out these ideas and enjoy the compliments from your guests. What are your favorite summer table decor ideas? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.